Hello everyone, welcome you once again. So today in this video we'll discuss about the product of algebraic expressions. In my previous video I have told you about the basics about the algebraic expressions, that means what are like terms, unlike terms. We have introduced the products, so today we'll continue about the algebraic expressions products. That in our previous video, if you have seen that we have multiply monomial by monomial. So today we'll start with monomial with binomial. So let's recall that monomials are the expressions containing only one term. Like this, I have taken here 3xy. So this is the monomial, and binomial are the expressions having two terms. So let us take any algebraic expression with two terms, that is 8x square plus 7xy. So here we are multiplying a monomial, that is 3xy, with the binomial 8x square plus 7xy. So now let's follow some steps. Step 1. Multiply the monomial by first term of binomial, that is 3xy multiplied by 8x square. So step 1, 3xy multiplied by 8x square. That means 3 8s are 24. X multiplied by x square, that is x raised to power 1 plus 2 and y, which is equal to 24x cube y. So this is our first step. Now step number 2, multiply the monomial with the second term of binomial, that is 3xy with 7xy. So step 2. (3xy) multiplied by 7xy, which is equal to 3 multiplied by 7 constants, that is 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to 21. X and x, here x raised to power 1 plus 1. Same way, y is here also and here also, that means you can add the power of y also. So it is equal to 21x square y square. Right. Now step 3. Add the product obtained in step 1 and step 2. And if there is a sign of subtraction, that means you need to subtract these. So whatever the sign is there in the binomial, you have to follow the same procedure. That means the terms of binomials are separated by with the positive sign. That means you need to add the products. If the terms are separated with the negative sign, you need to subtract the products. So here we are having addition. So step 3, 24x cube y plus 21x square y square. Now look at this, both the terms, they are not like, so we are not able to add these, so we can leave it here, our procedure. So that is the product of my monomial with binomials. So I'll repeat. Step 1, multiply the first term monomial by the first term of binomial. Same way step 2, multiply the monomial by the second term of binomial, and after that add the products. A monomial A is multiply a binomial B plus C as A multiplied by B plus C is equal to AB plus AC, just like a number are multiplied by using distributive property. That means you can multiply whenever you are having a monomial with binomial, then you can use distributive property also. A multiplied by B, then it get AB, then A multiplied by C, you get AC. Now multiply the binomials. Now we have to multiply two binomials. Let us take a plus b multiply by c plus d. So both are binomials. These product clearly shows that each term of first binomial multiplied by the each term of second binomial. So let's take step 1. First multiply a and c plus d. That is, you can write in this way, which is equal to ac plus cd. As we have done in a previous question, you have to use distributive property here. Step 2. Now multiply the second term of first binomial with the second binomial. So multiply b and c plus d. So you can write b multiplied by c plus d is equal to bc plus bc plus cd. Right. Now step 3. Add these products. Get AC plus AD. So now we have to multiply the binomials. That means multiply binomial with binomial. So let us take two binomials, a plus b multiply with c plus d. So the product clearly shows you that each term of first binomial will be multiplied by the each term of second binomial. So we have to follow some steps when you have to multiply binomial with binomial. So let us take step 1. Multiply a with c plus d. Right. Now you can write in this way, a multiplied by c plus d. So by distributive property, it can be written as AC plus AD. Now step 2. Multiply B, that is the second term of first binomial, with the second binomial, that is C plus D. So B multiplied by C plus D is equal to BC plus BD. So same, we have used the distributive property here. Step 3. Add both the products. Both products. That means AC plus AD multiplied by BC plus BD. And add the like terms if any. That means if there is any like terms, you have to add or subtract. Now let's do one example. Multiply binomial with. So according to the step 1, first term of the first binomial will be multiplied by the second binomial. That means 2pq. You can write down here step 1. 2pq multiplied by 3p square plus 4q. So it can be written as 2pq multiplied by 3p square plus 2pq multiplied by 4q. So 2 3s are 6, p and p square, that is pq q, plus 4 2s are 8, p remains same, q and q is equal to q square. So this is your first product. Now step 2. Second term, that is q square multiplied by second binomial. Now q square multiplied by 3p square plus q square multiplied by 4q. So that is 3p square q square plus 4q. Now step 3. Add both the products. But you have to do, if there is a sign of subtraction, that means we need to subtract both the products. So can be written as 6pq q plus 8p q square minus 3p square q square minus 4q. So now we have to add or subtract if there is any like terms, but there is no like terms, so our procedure remains same like this. Let's do one more example. First binomial, second binomial. Now we can write in this way also. First term of first binomial will be multiplied by the second binomial. Now there is a sign of addition, and the second term of first binomial will the multiply with the second binomial. So as I have told you earlier, step 1, first term multiply by the second binomial. Step 2, multiply second term multiply by the second binomial. And step 3, add both the products. Right, now we have to multiply by distributive property, that means 5x multiplied by 2x plus 5x multiplied by 4, AB plus AC. Right, now second, this is second term of your first binomial, so 3 multiplied by 2x first plus 3 multiplied by 4. Now 5 2s are 10, x multiplied by x is equal to x square plus 5 4s are 20 and x plus 3 2s are 6 x and 3 4s are 12. Now here we are having like terms 20x and 6x, these are like term, so here we have to add these. Remaining terms remain same. 10x square, 20 plus 6, that is 26x plus 12. So in this way you can multiply binomial with binomial. So now we have to multiply binomial with trinomial. Trinomial means an algebraic expressions having 3 terms. So here let's take one binomial, that is a plus b, multiply with the one trinomial, that is c plus d plus e. So a plus b multiplied by c plus d plus e. So as we have multiplied in the last, binomial with binomial, the same procedure we have to take here. That means each term of binomial will multiply by the each term of trinomial. Step 1. Multiply a with trinomial, that is a multiplied by c plus d plus e. Again we have to use distributive property here. A will be multiplied by the each term of the trinomial, so it can be written as ac plus ad plus ae. Step 2. Multiply the second term of the binomial with the trinomial. That means b multiplied by c plus d plus e, which is equal to bc plus cd plus, this is bd plus be. So b multiplied by c, that is bc, b multiplied by d, that is bd, and b multiplied by e, that is be. Now step 3. Add both the products. We have to add or subtract according to the sign of binomial. So you can write down ac plus ad plus ae plus bc plus bd plus be. So add if the like terms are there. So let's take one example. X plus 3 multiplied by x square plus 2x minus 1. The same, each the binomial multiplied by the trinomial. So first x multiplied by x square plus 2x minus 1 plus second term of the binomial multiplied by the trinomial. So now we have to multiply by x multiplied by x square plus x multiplied by 2x minus x multiplied by, so by each term, first x multiplied by x square, then x multiplied by 2x, then x multiplied by 1. So as product, one term is of minus sign, your result is now. So same way, now so 3 multiplied by x square plus 3 multiplied by x. So multiply x, you get x cube plus x square minus x plus 3x square, 3 2s are 6, x minus 3. So now we have to identify the like terms. Here 2 square and 3x square, these are like. Same way, minus x and these are also like. So now we have to add this. X cube remains same, 2x square plus 3x square, which is equal to 5x square minus x plus 6x, that is plus 5x minus 3. So this is all for today. See you in the next video. If you find my video fruitful, please like it and share it with your friends.